So hello everyone. So in this today's lecture, we'll be seeing a calculator, simple calculator using G.U.I, and we'll be using Kinter module. So in order to get graphical user interface, first let us import Kinter and let's just create the root, that is the main window, root.main loop. And what should we do is let us create 4 frames first. I'll be explaining you what I'm going to do. Frame 1 equal to frame root frame 1 dot, let us use pack, and expand equal to true and fill equal to both. There is nothing but expand equal to true is nothing but it will expand on the proper expansions, that is there will be no gap between any buttons or anything. And fill both is nothing but filling the both sides of the buttons or labels which are placed inside this frame. Okay, and we'll be creating 4 frames in order to place all the buttons, the and all the special characters such as addition, subtraction, division, and etc. Okay, so this one is frame 2, this one is frame 3, this one is frame 4. Now let us just create our key 1 equal to button, and let's place it in frame 1. And what should be the text equal to 1, and let us change the font. Let us just write as Arial. These are not mandatory, these are just styling purposes, you can ignore it. Okay, and let us anchor. Okay, let us not do anchoring because it's too deep. And let us check border equal to 0 and bg equal to, let us just put black color, and foreground, that is the text color, let us just put white. And let us just pack this one, key1 dot pack, the same thing which we need to do, expand equal to true and fill equal to both. Let us just try to run this first. Yes, we got it right. So these buttons which we will be getting one by one easily. And let us also first fix the geometry, root dot geometry, and let us make it 350 by 500. And let us also disable the resizability 0,0. Now let me just run it. Yes, we got it. And before placing the buttons, let us put some a label place here so that the results will be displayed, right? So let us just write label 1 equal to, and let us also put that in frame 1. And text variable is, first it will be empty string, right? So first normally we write text inside label, and because the label may vary, we are writing text variable. And let us also include font equal to, let us just write Arial, comma 20, and the text should be, let us write in the southeast, and bg equal to white, fg equal to black. Now let us pack this and let us run this first. Label1 dot pack expand equal to true, fill equal to both, and let us run it. Yes, we got the label place here, and here the whole thing will be displayed. Okay, and now let us just put one. First we put 1 here, right? Let us now put 2 3 as well. Let us just put 2 here. Let us just put 3, and this one is key 2, this one is key 3, and now let us just run this. Okay, so we're getting 1 by 1, right? So let us just put sides. Okay, we should not get one after another up and down, right? We should get side by side. Let us just put side equal to left, side equal to left, side left. Now let me just run it. Yes, we got perfect, right? 1 2 3, and next in the next frame what shall we do? We should write let's go for 4 5 6 in the next frame, right? And before that, let us also add addition here, 1 2 3 and addition. So what shall I do is, let me just copy this one and let me just pay here. Instead of key 3, let us just write key addition, and text we should change to this one. Let me just run this. 1 2 3 plus, right? Perfect. Let me just copy this whole thing right here. Key 4, and key 4 should be 4, this one is 5, this one is 6, key 5, this one is key 6, and in the place of addition let us just take subtraction. Key subtraction, and the text we should change, and this should be present in a separate frame. So let us just write frame 2. So have you guys understood why I created different frames? So for different lines I created different frames, 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6 minus, right? And next what shall we do is, let us create 7 8 9 and star. Okay, so let me just copy this. 7 7 8 8 9 9. Let us change it to 7, let us change it to 8, let us change it to 9, and this one will come under frame 3. And let us write key multiplication, and this one is star. Okay, so we forgot to change the star one's frame 3. Yes, perfect, right? And next let us create a clear button, 0 button, and equal to button, and divide button. These are the things which should to be present in the frame 4. First let us write clear button. Okay, let me just copy this thing. This should be present in the frame 4, and the font is this, clear, and this is also clear. And next to clear let us just put 0. Let me just copy paste this, key and 0, and let us just change it to 0. And next what shall we do is, let us put an equal to button, and let us also put division button. And this one is frame 4, this one is frame 4 as well, and this one is key equal. Let us change it to equal to, and let me just run it. C0 equal to, and at the last let us put a slash, that is for division. Division, key division, and what is the text slash, right? Okay, for slash we need to change the frame. Let us put it as frame 4. Yes, it is looking perfect, right? But once we press, it is not showing here, right? So for showing that one, we need to write the display function. Once we go to the top, let us write display, and it will take a number as an argument. And before doing this, let us create a global variable num initially, that is an empty string. And what is the variable which we are using? A string variable, right? There is nothing but a string is being written inside a label, right? So let us just take var equal to string var, and let us use that num, global num, and num equal to num plus str of number. There is nothing but once the parameter is passed into the display function, it is being displayed, it will be displayed inside the label. Okay, and label 1 of text equal to num. Okay, where is the label 1? We created the label 1 here, right? So that's why we have created a text variable here. That's why it can vary, and label 1 of text equal to num. And in order to do that one, now next we should put command equal to, let us just put a lambda function display 1. Now let me just test it for 1 whether it will be displayed or not. Yes, it is displayed perfectly. And for 2, it will won't display because we need to copy paste this command to this everything now. This one is 2. And let us just copy paste this for everywhere else. 3. And this one is plus 4. 6. And this one is minus, right? Minus. And this one is 7. This one is 8. 9. This one goes for asterisk, that is the multiplication. And for clearing the button, we will be having a different function, and for key 0, we will be having the same function. And for equal to, there will be different, and for division also it will be the same. Let us just take check for all the buttons now. Okay, so minus. Okay, so we forgot a comma here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, asterisk. Okay, minus is also working, plus is also working. Equal to and C will have different functions. 0, yes, everyone is working. And for C, we need to create a different function that will empty the whole string, right? So let me just create one more function, define clear, and the similar thing, global num. And next what we're gonna do, let us just make the string empty num, and label 1 of text equal to num, and let us go here to the clear function, key clear, and here the command should be clear. Now let us just take, let us write something and see. Yes, boom. Yes, it is working. And for evaluating, now let us just create the final function, that is evaluate. Evaluate global num. Let us just create result equal to str of eval of num. So I will be explaining you what is happening here. Label one of text equal to result, and after that let us change the num to empty string equal to, and yes, here it is, evaluate. And now let us just put some trials. 23 plus 3 equal to 26, perfect. C. 3 minus 6 minus 3, 8 star 5, 440. Let us just also check for division. 3. Yes, everything is working, and I hope you guys understood till now. And the only new thing which I wrote here is this evaluate function. And what is happening here is we are using an inbuilt command, that is eval, and I will be explaining what is eval function is. Eval.py. First, for example, let us take s equal to 56 plus 4, and let us try to print str of eval of s, and it is being run. Let us just wait until it executes. 60 we got. Okay, so there is nothing but once there is a string and there is a mathematical operation written inside a string, and if we use eval, it will automatically evaluate the value and it will give the final answer. Okay, so here 56 plus 4 is 60, right? We are getting 60. And similarly, once the total string is there and we are storing that eval result inside a label, inside a variable called result, and we are changing the label, that is the text, to result. Okay, and I hope you guys understood what happened here. And this is a very simple code, and let me just run it once again. Let us just take one more. 33 plus, let us take 7 equal to 40. Yes, I hope you guys got it, and try to implement on your own, guys, and this is easy. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, ping us at our WhatsApp or Gmail, and we'll be helping you guys. Okay, and thank you for watching, and that's it from my side, guys.